Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is travel story banner for Instagram. You can use on Facebook or any other social media, but these are protected password in this app. Download for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page and last is my Telegram channel. Join me. Open in Photoshop. Okay, see here in layer area, part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Last is 10. Just simply import your photo and write anything. We need any photo. Open this one, drag here, enter, Control S, and simply depend your own choice. Very easy, just import your photo and press Ctrl S for saving. Same thing is here. In scale, not portrait. Book. Now you can import two things here. 1 second. Okay. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.